let us go for the next question. What they have given in the next question. Once I try to read out that question. So here, 1 minute. AB and CD respectively arcs of the two concentric circles radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So with center O, if the angle is 30 degrees, find the area of the shaded region. So this is question number 14. So this is the figure. What they told, AB and CD are the O, A, B, C, D. AB and CD are the arcs of the two concentric circle with center same with the same center are called concentric circle. If radius is 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter, what they are telling is this is 7 centimeter. Obviously, this will be 21 centimeter. So here, what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the shaded portion. Nothing from the total. We need to eliminate this portion so that we will get the shaded portion area. So what is the angle that given? So AOB is equal to 30 degrees they have given. So if AOB is 30 degrees, how we can calculate? So here area of shaded is equal to area of sector with 21 centimeter radius minus same area of sector with 7 centimeter radius. Here x by 360 into pi r square, some pi r1 square minus x by 360 into pi r2 square. Angle will be same for both. So here I can write this one as 30 by 360 into pi will be common. R1 square minus R2 square, 21 square minus 7 square you will get. Once again, this will be common from both. So here, this can be given as 33 0 cancel. 12 3 is 36. 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 into a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. 21 minus 7 is 21 plus 7 is 28. 21 minus 7 is 14. So this will be 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. Next one is going to be 3 7 ja. No, it will be 2 14 ja, and this will be 2 3 ja. So it will be 28 and 28. That is 801 308 by 3 308 by 3 centimeter square. This is about the question number 14. I think nothing. This area of this total minus area of this one will be the shaded portion area. Let us go for the next question. Next minute. So first try to read the question there. So in figure ABC is the quadrant of the circle of radius 14 centimeter and the semicircle is drawn BC as the diameter of the circle diameter. So find the area of the shaded portion. Actually, question number 15. There is no extra portion here, so there will be a circle something like this, semicircle as it is. In that again we need to calculate this shaded portion. Look at here carefully. The radius will be here 14 centimeter and here the radius will be 14 centimeter. So what is the procedure to find that is, actually if you want to get this, so this is a semicircle actually. This is a semicircle and this region we need to eliminate. So this region we have to get. So from this semicircle area, look at here carefully. From this semicircle area, we need to eliminate this one. So how to get that one is my question. So nothing. So to get this area, what I am doing, look at here. I am making use of this figure. So actually this is the quadrant. This is a quadrant. So from that we need to cut this one. We need to take this total from this. We have to cut this so that you will get this. So what we have to do? First we have to calculate this area so that you will get this area, and from that we need to eliminate this one. That means from the semicircle we need to eliminate that one. I repeat, from this semicircle we need to eliminate this area. So how do I get that? From this total, see, from this total figure, if you eliminate this triangle, you will get this one. So step by step I can calculate. So here to get that one, so I don't know so here to here I know, but the thing is I don't know this diameter length. Diameter, why I am calculating diameter? To know this semicircle, definitely I have to know the diameter. So let us make it as some d. So how can I write? By using Pythagoras theorem, this is a right angle triangle only. So let me mention it as A, C, B. They have mentioned in the figure only. So let us take this as A, C, B. So here this is diameter 14 and 14. So how can I write? Pythagoras, by using Pythagoras theorem, 14 square plus 14 square, d square is equal to 2 into 14 square. D is equal to square root of 14 square into 2. D is equal to, what is this value? So 2 root 14, 14 root 2. So otherwise we can make use this only while solving the question. So reason is pi r square, you know, by 4 we have to do. So here we got the diameter, and next one is going to be this area. First I am calculating this area. How can I calculate? First, area of the sector. Area of the sector is equal to x by 360 into pi r square, 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is what? 14 into 14. So this can be given as 91 the 94 the. So look at here, 4 means directly I can calculate 7 2 7 the 2 7 the 7 will be cancelled. You will get this one as 154 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector. So that will be how much? 154 centimeter square. Next, area of what should I calculate first? Triangle, better. So area of the triangle is half into base into height. So half into base is 14, height is 14. So 2 1 the 2 7 the. So this will be how much you will get? So 14 7 the 98 centimeter square. Next, area of the circle. I can put all those. Area of the circle, not circle, semicircle here. So what is the area of the semicircle? Half pi r square. So half into 22 by 7 into radius I don't know, diameter I got, radius will be 7 root 2. So if I divide, I will get the radius. So r square is what? 7 into root 2 square is 2. Directly I written 7 into 7 and root 2 square is 2. So this can be given as 2 will be cancelled, 7 will be cancelled, 22 7 the 154 centimeter square. Look at here carefully. Once again I repeat. See, from the circle I need to eliminate this. So this how I am getting? Total minus this triangle. Look at here. Area of shaded portion is equal to circle area minus half. What we have to eliminate from that? This area. This area how I am getting? Again sector area minus triangle area. So what is the circle area? 154 minus semicircle area 154. Sector area is how much? 154 minus triangle area is how much? 98. Look at here. So 154 minus 154 minus into minus plus 98. Minus 154 minus 154 will be cancelled. You will get this value as 98 centimeter square. If you get the doubt, once again I will repeat. So very if you understand the logic, nothing. From this semicircle I need to eliminate this. See, semicircle minus unshaded. So here semicircle minus, how I am getting that unshaded? This region, this sector area minus triangle area. Sector area minus triangle area. This sector area minus triangle area is this. So that we have to eliminate from semicircle. This is all about the question number 15.